just got this cute little alarm clock for my kid. See, it lights up. It's very cute. Just the ears. Whole thing lit up. More bright. More bright. Off. Ears. Bright. More bright. More bright. It's got buttons on the back here as well. So let's see if I hold light. Change the light. So I think she'll probably like that. Option here for sound. Very cute. Alright, let's see what time it says. It's 5:02, which is not accurate. So there's the time. Put the alarm on. We're going to turn those alarms off. You can see here. I'm going to press the alarm button on the back. And they turn off. Yeah, overall, it's a cute little light. I think you'll like it.